What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how your closure or your front tat have been done? Well, wonder no more, because today I'm going to show you how to ventilate from beginning to the end. Ventilating means putting strands of hair on your wig closure net. Before we start, I want to hit that subscribe button for me and the notification button as well. For my new and old subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. So I'll be using a 10 inches human hair, my net, my ventilating needle, and my canvas head. So this is how you place the net. So make sure you place the net on the side that has the straight line. But if you do it the other way around, you're going to have a very messy closure. To me, I just think it's like a guideline for me, in my own opinion though. So it guides me through the whole process. So right now I'm about to measure my net. You can use any measurement you want, but I just wanted a long or a deep part for my closure. So I'm just going to put in my pins to hold it down to the canvas head. Then I'm going to measure the front area as well, just like this, like so. Okay, so right now I'm cutting out the weft out of the human hair. So we're already getting into it right now, guys. So I'm going to take out this part like so. I think I used like half from the bundle. I didn't use the whole bundle of the 10 inches. I used like half of it. So you can actually do two closure from that one bundle you saw me holding earlier on. So right now you're gonna use a small comb to take out those little strands that might get in your way when you start ventilating. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just pushing out those extra small strands of hair, just like this. Yep. So now we're getting there. It's time to start this party, guys. So here we go. So right now we're going to walk away from the back down to the front, and as you can see, I'm about to fold one side of the hair. It's usually not an equal end. One side is usually smaller than the other side. Okay, so I'm ready to ventilate. So when ventilate, this part is a little bit tricky because you're going to be skipping one line to give it this very natural, so it's not going to be too thick or too scanty. So just gonna be normal, like normal hair. So right now, okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can see I'm skipping one line. Okay, just like so. Then I'm gonna skip one more time. Okay. At first it looks really hard, but with constant practice, I'm sure you can do this, guys. As a beginner, I'll advise you to get any regular net or from the market. Any net, when I mean net, like can be fish net and braiding hair to practice on. With constant practice, trust me, this thing is really, really easy. It took me time though, but when you keep doing it every day, it will start getting easier. Like they say, practice makes perfect. Yeah, I'm still trying to try. I'm not perfect yet. I'm still very slow at doing this, but we'll get there someday. An hour to rest my legs, so it's not advisable to sit down for too long. It's always good to walk around. So I took a walk for 1 hour, and I came back and I continued. So no, it's not something you must finish in a day. It's just something you have to just take your time, to do. So yeah. Now we've come to the end of today's class. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this little video of mine helps someone out there. Please stay safe. Bye.